Have you ever wondered why your music doesn't sound as good as commercial releases? Music that's on Spotify, beats that you hear that sound professional, clean, harmonized, candy to the ear. Maybe it's because you don't know music theory. There's an argument to say that you don't need music theory to make decent music. To cut a long story short, no, you don't need music theory. But wait, before you click off, you might want to hear this. So I want to talk about why I think theory will help you. First of all, it will give you a better understanding of how to create chords, how to put melodies together, making beats in key, tuning your 808s, tuning your kicks. Is it important? Well, yeah, it is, because if you want your music to sound as good as everything else that you're hearing out there, then I'm going to say yes. So what's the best ways to learn music theory? If you're like me and you don't like to read books, you'd rather see someone show you. This is the path that I chose, that I took, and it's helped me. So one of my favourite teachers was right here on YouTube. What I'd do is I'd put a search in, favourite songs that I was feeling, and then learn to play. And in these videos, they'll teach you different scales, different keys, how to create chords, which reminds me, I've got a video talking about how to create chords. Go check that out. And then I'd write it down in a book and then just practice. There's loads of different courses online. Put a search in. There's apps even that you can put on your iPads, your tablets, and just practice. I spent money on courses, I spent money on books. All these different things combined just helped me to develop a style that I'm comfortable with. So for you, find different outlets, different sources to learn, and just put these all together and then get a basics and an understanding of how to create chords, how to create melodies, and just getting an ear for music. You might be blessed where you don't really need to understand music in that way, because you just play everything by ear and you can just pick it up really easy, and that's good for you. For those who are not like that, then find courses, find videos that you vibe with, and just learn from them. Don't beat yourself up if it's not for you. It's fine. So before you run off and start putting in searches in Google, watch this next video as I show you how to create major and minor chords. Real easy, simple chord code. See you in the next video.